Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. No matter how the adventure unfolds, you are ready for it with the versatility of this Avalanche. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: V8 engine, premium shocks, driver selectable mode, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, automatic suspension management, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.